Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is April bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Lot of cards. And Empress. I think you are focusing on yourself now. You are taking your control back. Working on yourself, Aquarius. So let's see what are the messages and what's going on, Aquarius. Okay, 9 of Wands. Again the Empress. Wow, it's your card, that's why it came again. Knight of Wands with 4 of Cups. I think you are feeling missed opportunity with this person. You are feeling bored. Maybe you are feeling lonely. Maybe your person feeling this also. Energy could be vice versa, but they are coming back with a lot of passion. They are very, very attracted to you. For some it could be new person. For some it could be past person. But someone is coming to you and this person is very, very passionate towards you. So let's see, we're reading recent past, 9 of Wands, the Moon and Page of Wands. I think you are guarded up. There are a lot of issues going between you and your person, a lot of disturbances, a lot of issues. The Moon. For some, there are trust issues between both of you. You are very honest in this relationship, but they are only coming and going, but there is no commitment. Yes, Page of Wands. This player type energy I am getting, not available to you when you need them emotionally. So that's why you guarded up in recent past. Because lot of issues, lot of trust issues between both of you. Then present, the Empress, 6 of Cups and Virgo. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening. There is lot of major transformation you are going through right now in April month. Then you realize your worth. Then you stand by your power. You are taking your control back, Aquarius. Yes, you're still thinking about them. This could be a soulmate connection, but you are giving priority to yourself first. Yes, self-love. Not doing and implementing also. So implementing self-love. So 6 of Cups. For some this could be a strong soulmate and past life connection, but you are choosing yourself. Then future, the Devil, Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups. But this person is very obsessed with you. Yes. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo especially. So they are obsessed with you. Maybe for some they are very addicted to you. And Ace of Wands with Ace of Cups, maybe you are addicted to them. And Ace of Wands with Ace of Cups, for some a new person is coming because Ace of Cups with Knight of Wands. For some it could be your past person coming back with a lot of passion, and this person wants passionate new beginnings with you. But you are doing self-love, you are loving yourself. Now you are giving priority to yourself only. But someone is coming with a lot of passion and they want a new beginnings with you, Aquarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, Virgo or Capricorn. These 3 signs. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Another deck, the Lovers. Maybe Gemini, the person involved in this connection could be. So their feelings. How they are feeling about you right now, the current feelings, Aquarius. I think there are trust issues between both of you. Yes, they are player type energy I am getting, the Emperor. So maybe they are wearing mask because they are saying words like the Emperor but doing things like a 7 of Swords, like sneaky, very sneaky. They are not committed to you. Yeah, they're saying in words but not showing in actions, what I'm getting here. So Seven of Swords, maybe they lied to you, cheated on you. Yes, this person may be toxic for you, sneaky for you, because the Devil with Seven of Swords. Be careful, guys. If you know this person, already they cheated on you. Again, you want to give second chance, then it's totally up to you. But I'm getting a lot of negative vibes because the Devil with Seven of Swords. And again, they are still at some crossroads. Two of Swords and Page of Wands. Again, playfulness energy. So Two of Swords, this person is again at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but they are unable. They are very indecisive to make decision, but they behave like emperor. But it is only a mask. So let's see their intentions. See, Eight of Cups. Knight of Pentacles, Strength and Rebirth. So for some, your person want to leave behind everything, that is their mistakes, their past. Maybe they have regrets now, so they want to leave everything behind and they want to come back. Now they have no strength to face you because the strength card, now they are working on their self, they are getting their strength and they're willing to come back. Knight of Pentacles, again it's up to you. This is general. Some of take messages what resonates you, leave them rest, leave all the other messages rest, because Knight of Pentacles, yes, they are taking it very slow and they want rebirth in this connection. For some, you decided to move on also because Death card is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also or Leo. So for some, you already decided to end relationship with this person, but they are again trying to come back, but it again very slow moving energy. Don't waste your time to keep waiting on them. If they are playing games with you, you already know about them. If you know but still you are doing the same thing, there is no point at all. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Aquarius. King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords with Two of Wands. Maybe your person have options, that's why they are at some crossroads. This could be long distance relationship, you both live in different cities, countries or states. And Ace of Swords, yes, there is some communication. Maybe your person want to express the true feelings. Yes, there is communication is coming. Page of Wands with Ace of Swords. Definitely they want to communicate with you and they are thinking about you a lot. For some, you also still waiting on them. Don't say lights, no, I don't waiting for them. Yes, you still keep on waiting. I think not like when they will call, when they will text. No, that type of waiting not, I'm saying. Like, yes, so you're thinking about them, then you will they call or will they text, like one time, 2 days or 3 days. So the Fool, definitely you are still in this energy. Then the Fool energy is here. You are living in the present moment. You want to go with the flow no matter what. Yes, you are also heartbroken without this person because you are very honest in this relationship no matter what. But you keep hopes on this person. Yes, I think you also not completely moving on and they also not making any decision. You both are like stuck. And Five of Swords, definitely you both have disturbances or differences between both of you, fighting. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Expect powerful change, new moon, eclipse. Maybe in near future there is some powerful changes is coming in this relationship, especially in you, Aquarius. And the second message, meditate and contemplate, new moon in Pisces. So if you have any issues or past hurts or whatever you are going through right now, so just do meditation, meditate and contemplate. Definitely meditation will give relief to you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.